The living area is spacious and the kitchen with two parallel platforms. You can see this bedroom is very spacious.
Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. My name is Purva and today we are going to the sample flat tour of the residential project Shraddha Park City located in Borivali East by Shraddha Prime Projects Limited. As you can see, we are standing right outside the sales office of this project, which is the actual location of the project, and this is the main road and the neighborhood of this project. We will get into the details of this project, but first, let me tell you what is Housey. Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects developers directly to the home buyers, thereby giving you a bottom rate price. Unlike other current listing platforms where if you do an inquiry, your number is shared with different brokers, resulting in a lot of phone calls. But Housey is one such real estate platform where listing is done directly by the developer. So book your dream home today with your favorite developer through Housey.
Starting with the project overview of this project, it is spread across the land parcel of 3 acres with ground plus first and second floor commercial, 3 level of podium parking and 30 floors of residential. It comes with 1 and 2 BHK and Jodis are also available. Now moving towards the amenities of this project, it comes with gym, banquet hall, 7 guest room, turf area, temple, kids play area and lavish swimming pool. Total amenities are 35 plus in this project.
Talking about the location and connectivity of this project is located in Nancy Colony, Borivali East, from where Western Express Highway is just at a distance of 3 minutes, and we have 2 metro stations nearby at a distance of 3 to 4 minutes. National Park is just 5 minutes walking from this project, and schools, colleges and hospitals are at a distance of 1 kilometer from this project. To know more projects in this location, you can click on the I button. So now let's move to the sample flat tour of this project.
Now we are standing outside the 1 BHK of Shraddha Park City by Shraddha Prime Projects Limited. This 1 BHK is spread across the carpet area of 428 square feet. Let's start with the sample flat tour of this 1 BHK. As we enter, you can see you will get a smart door lock and you will also get a video door phone provided. As you can see, the living area is spacious and the dining area is combined. This can be your dining area and this will be the living area. Right over here, we have a small balcony in the living area. Right beside the balcony, you will also get full French windows to give you a great view of the neighborhood. Moving ahead, as you can see, you'll get vitrified tiles in the whole flat. Moving forward, on the right, you will get a kitchen with 2 parallel platforms, and the space is enough for 2 persons to walk between the 2 platforms. You will also get a dryer balcony in the kitchen that is very spacious to place your washing machine and extra storage space. Besides one of the platform, you will get space for your refrigerator. Right in front of the kitchen, we have a common washroom that will come with anti-skid tiles and all the wall fittings. We will move forward to the master bedroom, but first let me tell you what Housey gives you. Housey gives you sample flat tours, we give you actual location tours, we tell you the pros and cons of the project, we also give you full pricing including EMI and down payment plans, and we also give you a 360-degree tour of the project. And if you want to book your own free site visit, you can register on housey.com. Now let's move to the master bedroom of this 1 BHK. As you can see, this bedroom is very spacious. Over here, you can customize your wardrobe as wardrobe space is provided. You can place your TV unit and customize your dresser in this corner. You will also get full French windows in this bedroom. You can place your king size beds and your side tables as per your choice. This is the attached washroom in this room that comes with anti-skid tiles and all the wall fittings provided. So how did you like this sample flat? Do let us know in the comment section below of this video, and if you want to book your own free site visit, you can register yourselves at housey.com. And if you want to download the e-brochure of this project, you can click on the link mentioned in the description below. All our NRI clients can also contact us from the same link. At last, don't forget to follow and subscribe Housey for more such sample flat videos. Till then, bye bye, take care. So everyone, this was the 1 BHK sample flat tour of Shraddha Park City located in Borivali East by Shraddha Prime Projects Limited.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.